Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to QR code login in Discord. To get started, open up Discord app on your device. Once you are there, click on the user setting which is located as the button below. Here you will see various setting options. Scroll down until you see scan QR code. Once you have found the option, click in the option. Now here I am scanning a QR code from my PC. Here you can see they have asked me if I can log in on a new device or not. So I'll just confirm and log in. So here you have already seen that I'm already logged in into my PC. So that is how easily you can QR login into Discord. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.